Good day, everyone. Learn how to make QR code in MS Word. So I have opened the Microsoft Word, and you need to click wherever you want the QR code to appear. So here, I'll place the cursor, and then you need to look at your keyboard and press Control F9 on a keyboard, which is a function key. The moment you do that, you will have a new window like this and a new sign, bracket sign. And here we need to type a command. You can paste the command, which I'll mention in the description. Okay, so I'll just press Control V and you will have a display barcode colon https example.com. You just need to edit right here whatever you want to. I'll just mention Google like this and leave as it is, and then do a right click and click on toggle field codes, and we have successfully made the QR code in Microsoft Word. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and do let me know in the comment section whether this tutorial is helpful or not. For some people, if Control F9 isn't working, then you can press Control Function F9. That should also work. Okay? So you can try that. Have a wonderful day. Take care.